Alright, you guys. So I haven't been here for a minute, and to be honest, it's laziness. Um, yeah, it's laziness. I have been keeping up with the market. I just haven't been coming up and telling you guys, making a video about this. To me, as long as me and the homie know what the fuck I think the market's doing, and it happens, and I got proof, that's all that matters. I just hop on here to uh to just keep up on what's update you guys since I stopped coming on here. So let me talk about the market. Let me talk about the S&P 500 this week. It was so fucking easy to fucking read. Bitcoin and Ethereum were giving the warnings. We left off on, let's see over here, Thursday, Monday, Thursday, Wednesday, Sunday. So 2 weeks ago, right? Thursday, Wednesday, Monday. It's been like 3 weeks that we've been dropping, pretty much. Here's 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Here we have October 29. So since October 29, we peaked, and therefore we've been dumping. And then what happened here? Announcement that the government was gonna open, pretty much, I believe. Yeah, the government was gonna open. To me, it was an easy fucking option call. Fucking buy your fucking stocks because we're about to rally. All right, cool. We didn't have no data on Monday. We didn't have no data on Tuesday. And I think if we did, we had some fucking light ass fucking data. Nobody really gave a fuck about that fucking light data. Everybody cared if or not we were gonna open the government by Wednesday. Because by Sunday, which is how they fucking do this shit, on Friday they'll give you the hint or the little, hey, we might open the government. I think we're gonna work on it. Okay, markets fucking go on it, and then Sunday is your confirmation. Yep. You get your tweets. Mr. Tweet starts tweeting. Yep, we're dealing with this shit. All right, cool. Market fucking open even fucking higher and shit on Monday. Because what? Monday, we're getting all the shit. Everybody's fucking going in. We're fucking buying our fucking nails and shit, hoping they sign. Everybody's talking. Are they going to do it? Are they not going to do it? Is it not this or that? All right, cool. We come on to Tuesday, and we're still peaking. We're still peaking. And Wednesday is going to be the decision, but it's going to be at nighttime. That nighttime, once the market closes, then that's when they start fucking supposedly voting on it, this and that. And we find out that we do have, and look how we do this shit. Thursday and Friday were the days we have the data. They fucking knew that we didn't have the data from Thursday. So, of course, the market was gonna panic and fucking sell. Today, all this fucking data came out at 6:30. So, and the market opens at 7:30 Arizona time. So, if you see where it was at 6 a.m., you would have seen, the S&P is holding support barely at 6 in the morning, right in October, where we closed a 3 monthly candle. So that means it's a 3 monthly support, hard as to break. So the data came out at 6:30. Just like any fucking other time that the data is coming out with hot, important data, it's gonna start fucking dropping before the market drops. That way, when the market opens, option traders, option people, people that can't fuck with the market until the market opens, their losses, their trade goes to a loss or whatnot, and then the market opens, since by then they're fucking in the negatives or this and that, and that's how the market takes advantage of these calls and puts or whatnot, because the data comes out before the market opens. Imagine if the data came out as the market was open, then all these fucking puts and calls would have been fucking canceled right then and there. But since there's a gap in between from the data releasing and the market opening, all fucking we can do is just fucking shit. My fucking call is going to fucking ass right now. So, anyways, it didn't do that. At 6 a.m., look where it's at. 6 in the morning, that's when it should have dropped. And Let me fucking go to 3 monthly. That's where it's at right there. Watch. It's a 3 monthly candle right here. Okay, 3 monthly. My bad. Time and date. And you go to the 1 hour candle. Bam. Right underneath it. So fucking traders that are fucking trading this shit. Oh look, we fucking broke a 3 monthly and we closed it, all this fucking bullshit. And they go for a fucking sell. And then that data came out. This to me was, yo, get on your fucking option calls and fucking buy, motherfuckers, because we're gonna fucking close high. We've been dropping for the full fucking week. All of a sudden, we get this good news, whatever the fuck it was, whether it be the data, whether it be Trump, whether it be fucking God. But the candles were fucking telling you to go for a buy. Not that just that, if you would have gone to Palantir, buy. Netflix, buy by suck a dick. Meta, buy. Nvidia, buy. Amazon, buy. Tesla, buy. Google, fucking buy. Apple, buy. So, while everybody was fucking panicking and didn't know where the market was gonna go, was it gonna go up or down, this or that, Friday, it was all easy. It was all easy. And Bitcoin and Ethereum were warning you. I was telling the homie and B fucking Tom Lee's stock, what's his name? BMNR, I call it Bit. This bitch right here, it was warning you. 3 monthly candle. I'm gonna put on my fucking shit. I'm gonna take all this shit because you guys are gonna be confused as fuck. There you go. So, if you go to your monthly, damn, I have a whole bunch of shit. You guys are gonna get confused as fuck. So if you look at the monthly, we were holding at a high price right here between your 33 and your 50s. So all of a sudden, when I start seeing that BMN on fucking Monday is breaking this area right here, and the whole time your average was holding above this price right here, 44. So once we fucking started closing on down here, that's when I was like, holy shit, we're gonna keep on dropping. We're gonna keep on dropping. And then if you go to your daily right here, the fact, because it follows Ethereum, just like Bitcoin follows strategy, and strategy follows Bitcoin, whatnot. Same shit with Tom Lee stock, which is Bitmine and Ethereum. So the fact that we were fucking dropping this whole time, I was like, yo, this is warning me, danger, 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 because we broke a crucial support. We're fucking right there. So either we hit the bottom here, and then from here the market's gonna start stabilizing, and either they're gonna these fucks are gonna, or he's gonna fucking do some Thanksgiving week bullshit, where this whole week the market was panicking, we're falling, holy shit, is this the end, is this the bottom? And then coming towards fucking Thanksgiving, they're gonna do something, they're gonna make it up, and the market's gonna start fucking rallying on up. Because these candles all these things together are fucking telling you. You got Bitmine at their fucking lowest since fucking, come on, this is fucking telling you. I was telling the homie, hopefully the market keeps fucking dropping, because yo, there's gonna be some juicy ass fucking calls on this shit. Some juicy ass calls on fucking Bitmine. Just imagine fucking if this is the bottom here, if we start stabilizing, buy a couple of contracts for the next fucking 2 months or in December, you're gonna easily fucking recover shit, whatnot. Especially if it starts stabilizing, the S&P starts stabilizing. Anyways, Ethereum now. See Ethereum right here. I was telling the homie, hey, look, even though we doing this, look where Ethereum was at on the 11th. The fact that it went down to this daily, we're in a daily right here, that it went down to this area, I told the homie, hey, if the S&P starts fucking breaking on down, then that's gonna bring Ethereum to its fucking bottom right here, Once Ethereum brings to the bottom, that's gonna tell me that the S&P is gonna fucking start breaking that down even more. When we're gonna start getting bad data, and boom, that's what will end up happening. Um, Also, then Bitcoin. Bitcoin was fucking also telling the same thing. I said, hey, look where Ethereum and Bitcoin are at right now. If the S&P starts breaking on down, it's gonna, because they're connected, they're synchronized. Even though it's decentralized and centralized fucking bullshit, Ethereum and Bitcoin are connected to the S&P 500. That's why they move together and whatnot. So once I saw this with Ethereum, I was like, Ethereum follows Bitcoin, Bitcoin follows Ethereum and whatnot. Ethereum and Bitcoin is like silver and gold. Ethereum is smaller, Bitcoin is heavier, silver is lighter, gold is heavier, not physically, but money wise too. So silver indicates to you where gold is going to start heading. And then likewise with Ethereum, Ethereum is going to start telling you where Bitcoin is going to start heading. And then the S&P is going to tell all these both of these fucks what they're going to do. Likewise, that you can see one another, and then here we go. Tuesday 11, and we're at the fucking bottom. We're at the support of this fucking Bitcoin. And I told the homie here, hey, we're fucking about to dump. Bam! Boom, bam, bam. And then here we have the S&P 500 still holding its rally movement. It's waiting for something tomorrow. This is fucking beautiful to me because um, I'm gonna be off. I'm gonna be on my last day of work next Friday. I'm gonna dedicate myself to doing this shit. So you're gonna see more fucking videos of me actually breaking down day before, night before, saying, "Hey, here's what's gonna happen. Here's the fucking plays. Here's where at this time the market is gonna fucking switch and reverse because of this snap." I know right now it's like, "Oh yeah, who's this guy?" You just came across him. I don't even know what the fuck he's talking about. But you're gonna see more videos of me on here and on TikTok, and I will be breaking down the market, the S&P, your Bitcoin, your gold, your silver, your Palantir, and you watch. I'm a different breed, guys. I'm a different breed. I'm different. I learned this shit from myself. No fucking courses. No fucking, just me and my fucking, my bad for cursing a lot. Me and my lines and my boxes, and especially my indicator. Alrighty, guys. So, anyways, I'm gonna talk about the market more later on. I don't give a fucking nobody saw that shit, to be honest, because trust me, your boy has been doing good on option calls. I'm gonna be posting as I start making these calls and these puts on Robinhood. I'm gonna start updating and showing you pictures on here. But that's it for you guys. Welcome back. Appreciate it, Mister. Oh, thank you, bro. Um, well, that's it. I'll be up later, guys. This is Brian Seacrest signing out.